can you do machine learning in C++? And I think most C++ developers would think this is kind of a silly question to ask. But there are people who honestly think you can't do machine learning in C++, and let's take a look at why they're wrong. Let's take a look at what I get if I want to look up how to do machine learning or machine learning tutorial. I'm going to pretend to be a beginner, and I'm going to look at what I get on Google as a result for machine learning tutorial. So the first thing I get is I get Geeks for Geeks. This is a really awesome website. So, okay, awesome. So let's click on this X here to close this, and let's scroll down and let's look at the structure of this course. So what are they going to teach me? They are going to teach me Python, create table datasets using sklearn. Okay, so right off the bat, the first thing I get from Google is a tutorial in Python. Okay, so I'm a beginner. I'm like, okay, so Python machine learning. Next, let's go to the next result. So the next one is W3 Schools Python machine learning. This kind of doesn't make sense because I thought W3 Schools was more of a web-oriented website, but let's carry on. Let's see. So what do we have here? Let's see how we can do a scatter plot. So to do a scatter plot, what are we doing? We are importing matplotlib pyplot as PLT. So again, we're using Python to do, I guess, plotting. This is, I guess this is machine learning, but basically the second result that Google served also associates Python with machine learning. Let's go back. So the point I was trying to make here is that when you look up machine learning, if you use the key terms machine learning tutorial, you will get back a lot of associations between Python and machine learning. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. I think Python has probably the most ergonomic libraries for machine learning itself. But that's not really machine learning. When you do, let's say, Python machine learning, what you are probably doing is you're getting libraries that allow you to do data processing really easily. Second, you have some functions to build out a model. So you build up some abstract model, and then you pass the data into the model, you train it, and then you get some data back. Using Python to do machine learning is kind of like saying, I can only use bash. I can't use, let's say, ZSH, or I can't use fish as my shell. You can clearly use any of them as your shell. They're very interchangeable, and in the same way, Python is very interchangeable as like an end user language, right? So what Python isn't necessarily a language to do machine learning. Python is an interface to these libraries that allow you to do machine learning. The one thing that beginners tend to get wrong about what machine learning is and what Python is in relation to machine learning is that what the Python does is it provides you with an easy interface to do all of these computer operations, right? So for example, when you learn Python, right, what do you need to learn before you can do some interesting things, right? You need to learn how to call a function. You need to learn how to pass arguments to a function. You need to learn how to do if statements, loops, how to build your own functions. That's pretty easy, right? Now, in comparison, what do you have to learn to use C++? Well, in C++, there are just like so many features that people tend to get overwhelmed. One example is you have to learn what a pointer is. You have to learn what a reference is. You have to learn how to pass references versus pointers. I think the biggest pain point of learning C++ is learning all of the different semantics of passing data back and forth, right? So do you want to pass data by copying it, or do you want to pass data by sending a reference? That's something you have to learn that in Python it's just skipped over, right? Python just does it automatically for you. You don't need to think about it. And that's actually why Python is really popular for people who work at the edges of programming. So people who need to write their own logic, but they don't really need to know a lot of like the nasty computer stuff that actually makes up the logic. Python is really awesome for that because they can just do what they need to do, and all the low-level code is written by people who understand the low-level aspects of computing, right? So when I see people asking me, can you do machine learning in C++? My answer to them is usually, if you know how to write C++ code, you can probably do machine learning in C++. And if you don't know how to code, then you probably want to use Python.